How to download CV in LinkedIn. Hello guys and welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can download your LinkedIn profile as a PDF resume using your computer. This tutorial guides you through the steps to obtain a professional looking CV directly from your LinkedIn profile. So let's get started. First of all, you gotta head over, log into your LinkedIn account. So you can do it on your computer or laptop. So once you have logged into your account, you gotta head over and click on your profile. And over here, you'll be able to see your profile. So you gotta scroll down and here you'll be able to see a couple of options. So all you need to do is simply click on resources over here and you'll be able to see a couple of options here again. So all you need to do is simply click on Save to PDF. But before that, you gotta make sure that you have your LinkedIn profile set up and you have added all of your past jobs and everything is set up. So you gotta simply click on resources, click on Save to PDF, and you'll be able to see that PDF is getting downloaded. And here you can see it has been downloaded, and this is basically your PDF and your CV. So if you have many items here that you have added to your profile, like your past experiences, your current jobs, the projects you have completed, you'll be able to see all of them in your resume. So that's it for today's video. If you found this guide helpful, give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe for more helpful tutorials. I'll see you in the next video.